writing, coming up with stories is something I've done since I was a kid. It's just it's a natural thing. I think it started when we were driving for summer holidays to my grandparents. I would sit in the back seat looking out at the landscape and the houses and just coming up with stories. Not necessarily stories that I would tell anyone, but just stories for my own entertainment. And so I just kept on doing that, and I'm still doing that. Just now I'm sitting with a typewriter and sharing them with other people. And you know, it's something I would do for free. Don't tell my publisher, but it is. I think I can differ between real persons and persons of fiction. Harry is perhaps more like my, I wouldn't say twin, but in a way is. I think that they say that all writers write about themselves, and to a certain extent I think that is true for me and Harry also, that I do put myself partly into that character, but that doesn't mean that he's my alter ego or that he is someone that I regard as a real person. When I leave the laptop, I leave Harry. I think it's a full range of feelings. You feel agitated, you feel angry, you feel well, you feel sexually aroused, you feel scared, you feel happy for your characters, and when you're really tired, you may even be on the verge of crying sometimes when I'm writing. So yeah, I think all the emotions are there. I don't have any method for coming up with ideas, and the ideas, how I come up with the ideas, it's still a mystery to me, and it's a mystery that I'm not too eager to solve. I think that is some of the magic, that the ideas just seems to come out of thin air, and when you recognize an idea as a novel, and you know that this is something I want to work with and study for the next year or year and a half, that's an amazing feeling, and you just know. But how that happens, I have no idea, and I don't want to have an idea about that.